Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to Waycross for the Downtown Waycross Cruisin' the Bucees in Brunswick event. The guys decided they were going to get together and cruise out to the Bucees for Labor Day weekend. Not much to say other than that. And this is the lid cam. We watched the guys take off from the rally point in Waycross. We got to enjoy the cars driving by. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Only if you want to be.
Well, with the luck we've had on with your cameras, maybe I should be over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll be right here. guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Downtown Waycross Cruisin group's Cruising Out to Bucees in Brunswick event. What a mouthful. Anyway, we went out and we filmed them leaving their rally point in Waycross. We didn't follow them along to Bucees. You know, just didn't have time. We enjoyed going out there and watching them rally up and checking out the cars as they were leaving. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please drop us a like, comment, share the video around, hit the little bell, hit the little subscribe button. You know, any of those things helps out the channel. Drop us a comment even. You know, just like, hey, cool video, whatever. Anything, any interaction with the video helps get us up in the YouTube algorithm. You got to tickle that YouTube pickle to get them YouTube dollary dues. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get the monetization to get some funds from YouTube to, you know, keep growing the channel. We're trying to go out, go to different events, go further out. And it's starting to pinch. It's starting to hurt, you know, guys. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I just need you guys' help to, you know, grow the channel. Like it, subscribe it. You don't have to comment, but it would be great if you did. Share it to your friends. Share it to your non-car friends. Just be like, hey, this dude's going out to the car shows, so you don't have to. Whatever. Any little bit helps on the channel getting the YouTube's attention. So, I'd appreciate it if you would do it. So, like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.